It's time for another gardening update. Okay, hey guys, welcome back. Just doing a quick update about what's going on the balcony garden. Sharing my little pot of sage that I'm harvesting to put on my chicken I'm cooking today. And got me some tarragon. I got some dill, butterflies. Oh, I still gotta do what I need to do in this little corner, but this plant here, I doing maintenance on the soil, so the sage is doing pretty good. Getting new leaves, looking nice and fresh. I love it. And for this collaboration, the title in the video is the hashtag. Click on that, it'll take you to the playlist that'll share all of the participants in this collaboration. Thank you for supporting and returning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, it's a very short video. I just wanted to come and just let you guys see what's going on the balcony garden. I have other work to do to get it going even better. But thanks for joining me today. Hold up. Just showed a little delicate flower. You guys know the name of this flower? Please say so in the comments. Little tiny little flowers. I think it started with a C. I forget. Help me out. Okay, have a good day. Happy gardening. Bye. Just wanted to share my harvest. I have some fresh sage. Let me point. This is sage, tarragon, dill, parsley, garlic chives. Harvest from my balcony garden. About to put these herbs in my roasting chicken that I'm cooking today. I love it. Harvesting from the garden, fresh herbs. Way better than the dry, but I do have several dry herbs that I purchased from the store. I do use them, but I'm just saying, fresh is better. Hope you guys are having a great harvesting goings on and what's happening, and if so, please share amongst our gardening community. Let me know so I can come and take a gander. All right. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening.